Besides plum flowers, there are more than 100 species of magnolia, Chinese cherry apples, and nearly 20 species of hyacinth at Chenshan Botanical Garden. Many flowers have blossomed earlier than usual because of the warmer weather earlier this winter. One senior engineer said more spring flower buds will open soon.
接下来我们比较出名的染井吉野樱大道。
In the next few days, we will see plenty of Yoshino cherry trees blossoming on both sides of one avenue, over 60,000 baby blue eyes at the number 3 entrance, and flowering crabs. The next period to visit will be from next weekend through mid-April.
Chenshan Botanical Garden has exhibited more than 14,000 types of plants from 71 countries since opening in 2010, including rare species at 3 greenhouses and a rock garden. 宋文静，上海 Live。